right, so here we go. We're at my dad's house because where I live at, I don't have access to outlets. So we're here, so you can see the paint here looks pretty crapola. And we're gonna see if we can tackle this and have it looking much better. The goal would have it looking like this. We'll see how that works out. But anyway, we're gonna see what we can do and try to correct this paint. It's my first time doing it, so let's see.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's all washed off and clean. Still ashy as a pair of knees. But we're gonna see if we can correct that and try to get a little bit more polished in it. The goal, like I said earlier, is to get it like this. But we'll see. Like I said, it's my first attempt, but we're gonna figure out what we can do and get this taken care of. All right, so we got everything taped off because I'm getting ready to, oh my gosh, this makes me so nervous, but I'm going to wet sand it to try to get some of this stuff off. And then we're going to hit it with a polisher. And now I'm just wet sanding it, trying to make it smooth. So let's see. You just want to make sure you keep it wet. And then just sand it down. Sorry for the view. I'm trying to do this obviously with one hand. So I'm just gonna go back and forth and up and down.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
We do like a split right there. Actually, so you can already see it's a little better. And if you can see, it's not like super shiny, but you know, but if you want to compare, look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and go do that and see how they both look together. This is just a little better. It's starting to get dark, so probably couldn't really see how much better it looks. Well, all right, guys, that completes our video. My thoughts initially, I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks, I mean, I wouldn't say night and day, but it looks, I say if I had to give it a score from 1 out of 10, probably a 7. I mean, it shines a little bit better, doesn't look really ashy or bad, but it's not, you know, back to what it originally was, which was, I was kind of hoping to get it that way, or at least really, really close. But it looks a little better, not so embarrassing looking. So we might have to actually, you know, wrap the roof and possibly go ahead and replace the hood, and keep it pushing. But if you like videos like this, Please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have any tips and tricks, something that I could do better as far as polishing the car, please let me know and leave it in the comment section. But it's been a pleasure, and thank you for watching. And just like I do everything that I love, keep doing what you love.